Hello everyone, are you looking for the best outdoor projector you can buy in 2022? These are some of the coolest, best outdoor projector we found so far. True 4K UHD resolution, 3840 x 2160 or 8.3 million individual pixels give incredible clarity and crisply defined details. Not double HD or 2K like other manufacturers. Projector optimized HDR Pro HDR10/HLG, HDR Pro supercharged by dynamic iris with exclusive enhanced contrast and HDR brightness for realistic, detailed images, cinematic color technology. Our out-of-the-box factory-calibrated color-accurate projector with DCI-P3 color space is one of the latest forms of technology when it comes to colors of stunning picture quality up to 130 inches. Delivers an immersive, bright viewing experience for TV shows, sporting events, gaming and movies by accepting content up to 4K, for an amazing full HD HDR picture. Ultra-short throw laser array technology, a new type of laser projection that produces a stunning picture, while being just inches from the wall itself. No complex wiring or ceiling mount required. 4K PRO-UHD projection technology, advanced processing for resolution enhancement, color and image process. Gift for children, mini projector is a must. Have product for children to watch cartoons and videos, which is very popular with children. When viewed from a distance with a projector, it can project a maximum of 150 inches, keeping children away from mobile phones, and iPads can protect children's eyes. Small and portable, mini video projector is small and portable, and can be carried in a pocket or bag. Even children can hold it easily. You can enjoy movies, videos and games no matter at home or in the outdoor courtyard, travel, camping and other location. Upgrade performance, YG300 Pro upgraded in 2021, support 1080p Full HD and the natural resolution have increased to 800 x 480. Improve the brightness and color saturation of the projected picture to make the picture clearer and more comfortable. Dark room is better. Multiple interface, small projector is equipped with multiple ports, including HDMI, USB, audio, micro SD, TF and AV interfaces. Cognitive Processor XR, revolutionary TV processing technology that understands how humans see and hear to deliver intense contrast with pure blacks, high peak brightness, and natural colors. XR Triluminos Pro, rediscover everything you watch with billions of accurate colors and see impressive picture quality that is natural and beautiful to the human eye. Full array LED and XR contrast booster, precisely controlled backlighting brings out real-life depth and detail with deep blacks and high peak brightness. Google TV, browse 700,000 plus movies and TV episodes from across your favorite stream. True 4K Ultra HD, enjoy a high-quality home theater experience with 4K Ultra HD with 8.3 million distinct addressable on-screen pixels, HDR compatible, by smoothly adjusting light output. The 1,500,000:1 contrast ratio combined with a wide color gamut and HDR10 technology provides stunning color with brighter whites and deeper black levels. Advanced laser light source, featuring 3000 lumens of brightness. The CinemaX P2's laser light source combines state-of-the-art picture and color performance to deliver 30,000 hours of maintenance-free operation. Convenient placement, space-saving design, large 120 inches image projected from approximately 15 inches away. Ultra-short throw projectors allow placement close to the wall. Premium soundbar built-in, integrated new Force soundbar with Dolby 2.0 including 2 full-range speakers, 2 woofers, ported chambers and 40 watts of power. Delivers crisp details with superior dialogue clarity. Easy image setup. Optoma Smart Fit Auto Geometry Correction app ensures easy 4-corner alignment setup with your smartphone. The autofocus feature provides a crisp, clear image instantly. Voice Assistant compatible. Alexa and Google Assistant compatibility enable intuitive voice control for powering on and off. Awe-inspiring 4K resolution. Uses TE's 0.47 inches DMD chip and leveraging XBR technology for an incredible 8.3 million pixels, 3840 by 2160, to achieve 4 times impeccable enhanced clarity, increased detail than that of Full HD, 0.25:1 ultra short throw. Thanks to Ricoh wide-angle lenses and advanced technology, Polaris cast a gigantic 100-inch image from only 11 inches away from the wall. Don't need to move the device to around 15 feet. away unlike traditional projectors of 1.5 to 1 contrast ratio. Its space-saving, compact design, quick and easy setup, and the ability to adjust your projection to 100 inches, bright and last longer. The 2500 ANSI lumens brightness UHD projectors were made for well-lit rooms, are the best option to replace a regular TV in a well-lit apartment. Thanks to its solid-state laser, built with an extra bright light source of 30,000 hours, UHD projector's light source lasts 10 times longer than traditional projection lamp of only 3 to 5,000 hours. 3-channel laser for ultimate color accuracy. The Polaris 4K uses 3-channel laser technology, supports wider color coverage while ensuring incredible color reproduction performances, along with HDR10 to express a vivid picture with virtually no color loss compared to conventional projectors. HDR compatible, HDR10 technology, with 4K input, enables brighter whites and deeper black levels. For an enhanced viewing experience, fast response time, enhanced gaming mode enables lightning fast response time of 8.4 milliseconds with a 120 Hz, refresh rate. High bright and colorful image. Enjoy an incredible 4000 lumens of brightness for lights on viewing. A 6-segment color wheel, RIG CWB, produces accurate color with sRGB and Rec.709 color profile. Clear, detailed images, 1080p, 1920x1080, resolution, with 4K input, and 50,000:1 contrast ratio renders, sharp and detailed images from high-definition content without downscaling or compression. Extensive connectivity, connect to gaming consoles, media players and other HDMI devices such as Google Chromecast, Amazon Fire Stick and Apple TV. Inputs include dual HDMI, 1.4A3D support, easy installation, vertical keystone correction and a 1.3x zoom. Enable flexible placement in any environment. Long lamp life. Enjoy up to 15,000 hours of lamp life, enabling an average of 4 hours of viewing time every day. 10+ years. Big screen home theater. Immersive theater-like experience in 4K UHD, 3840 by 2160, on a screen up to 120 inches and 2400, LED, lumens, smart projector, Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant voice control, and Wi-Fi connectivity for smart TV, streaming from YouTube, and more. Lamp-free projection. Solid-state LED technology with 30,000-hour lifespan consumes far less power than a typical LCD TV. Vivid colors, Rec. 709 color accuracy and HDR content support produces lifelike colors for a fuller, more immersive viewing experience. Premium audio. Built-in dual Harman Kardon Bluetooth speakers deliver room-filling audio. Portable design. An easy carry handle and short throw lens allows for big screen projection in any room. Indoors or out. Safety auto off. Users can activate/deactivate safety feature that turns off lens when objects are detected too close to the projector. 4K PRO-UHD, projection technology, a new type of 4K home theater experience, utilizing advanced technologies for resolution enhancement, color and image processing. True 3-chip projector design. Advanced 3 LCD technology displays 100% of the RGB color signal for every frame without any rainbow effect or color brightness issues. 4K resolution processing. Pixel shifting technology precisely controls 3 individual, high-definition LCD chips, to parallel process millions of pixels. Full 10-bit HDR, accepts 100% of the HDR source information to faithfully reproduce HDR content for an amazing visual performance. Plus HOG support digital video processing, real-time, 12-bit analog to digital video processing for smooth tonal transitions, helps eliminate banding, blocking and other compression artifacts from the final visual performance. Outstanding brightness, an impressive 3,000 lumens for both color and white brightness, contrast ratio up to 100,000, for rich black detail. Full 18 gigabits per second HDMI 2.0 support, compatible with virtually all color formats, depths and spaces while simultaneously supporting 4K HDR content at a full 60 Hz. 4K UHD plus HDR10, enjoy a high-quality, cinematic home theater experience with 4K Ultra HD, HDR10 technology and an incredible contrast ratio. 6-segment color wheel, experience richer colors and enhanced brightness with the 6-segment color wheel. The RGB color wheel brings accurate cinematic color to your home, reproducing movies, TV and games the way the director envisioned it. Bright, reliable laser, Laser technology delivers outstanding brightness up to 30,000 hours of light source life that maintains stunning image quality throughout its lifespan. 3,000 lumens of brightness enable lights on viewing in a variety of rooms, any time of day. Ultra short throw. The CinemaX P2 space-saving, ultra short throw design provides convenient placement for a huge screen experience image from only inches away. Easy image setup. Using Optoma's Smart Fit app, ensure easy place and play using your smartphone. The auto geometry correction system allows hassle-free image alignment. Autofocus enables simple setup. Voice assistant compatible. With the Alexa Smart Home and Custom Skills or Google Action, control your CinemaX P2 projector with intuitive voice control using Amazon Echo and Google Home devices. If support, seamless connectivity with thousands of other smart devices. For example, the CinemaX P2 can be programmed to mute when your smart doorbell rings. For the ultimate viewing experience in ambient lighting conditions, an ALR screen designed for ultra-short throw projectors is recommended. Technical specifications: projection system display type, DLP light source, laser, ALPD 3.0, throw rate, 0.233 projection size, up to 150, resolution, 4K brightness, 2500 lumen 6000 lumen, light source, luminance uniformity, greater than 88% contrast ratio, greater than 300 to 1 ANSI, 3000 to 1 FOFO color gamut, Rec.709 Smart TV System, Android 7.1 App Store, Aptoide eMMC, 32 GB RAM, 2 GB motion detection, yes HDR10, yes keystone correction, yes, 8-point, electric focus, yes multi-screen, yes audio speaker Harman Kardon, 60 watts Bluetooth in, yes, connects with phone, Bluetooth out, yes, connects with Bluetooth speaker, Dolby Audio, yes DTS HD, yes interfaces HDMI, 3 USB. Samsung 120 inches The premier LSP7T 4K Smart Laser Projector, Ultra Portable LED-based, DLP Projector SVGA, 800 by 600, resolution /4 to 3 aspect ratio, 1,000:1 contrast ratio lampless and mercury-free LED light source rated at 30,000 hours life, in the box, remote control, 2x AA batteries, power cord, limited 2-year warranty bundle includes, Samsung 120 inches The premier LSP7T 4K Smart Laser Projector, Minolta 120 inches Home Theater Projector Screen 16:9 Indoor-Outdoor Folding with Mount Hooks. Bring the big theater screen experience home with a Samsung 120 inches laser projector. Cutting-edge laser technology and 4K resolution deliver cinema-like picture in contrast with 2200 lumens. Bigger and better. Get ready for a whole new home cinema experience. Experience immersive detail from any angle with the 120-inch widescreen 4K UHD 3840 by 2160 display, up to 2700 ANSI lumens brightness, laser projector, class 1 laser, display a 120, screen from just 7.2 inch away from projector surface, LG WebOS Lite. Use the included Magic Remote on this LG Cine Beam projector to access LG's WebOS Smart TV operating system for all your favorite content streaming apps such as Netflix, Amazon Prime, and Vudu. Alexa built-in includes LG ThinQ AI. Previously, HDR tone mapping delivers identical picture quality as the average of full frames. As the HU85 LA adopts HDR10 with dynamic tone mapping, on a frame-by-frame basis, it can deliver optimized picture quality each frame. Bluetooth connectivity HDR10 compatible. The HU85 LA with True Motion technology, a type of video processing where animation frames are generated between existing frames, makes animation look and feel more fluid. HDR compatible, HDR10 technology, with 4K input, enables brighter whites and deeper black levels for an enhanced viewing experience. Fast response time. Enhanced gaming mode enables lightning fast response time of 8.4 milliseconds with a 120 Hz refresh rate. High bright and colorful image. Enjoy an incredible 4000 lumens of brightness for lights on viewing. A 6-segment color wheel, RIG CWB, produces accurate color with sRGB and Rec.709 color profile. Clear, detailed images, 1080p, 1920 x 1080, resolution, with 4K input, and 50,000:1 contrast ratio renders sharp and detailed images from high-definition content without downscaling or compression. Extensive connectivity, connect to gaming consoles, media players and other HDMI devices, such as Google Chromecast, Amazon Fire Stick and Apple TV. Inputs include dual HDMI, 1.4A 3D support, easy installation, vertical keystone correction and a 1.3x zoom enable flexible placement in any environment, long lamp life, enjoy up to 15,000 hours of lamp life enabling an average of 4 hours of viewing time every day, 10 plus years. 4K UHD resolution, true 8.3 million pixels deliver awe-inspiring 4K UHD image quality with high clarity and crisply defined details. Operating temperature, 0 to 40 degrees Celsius hyper-realistic HDR10 quality. BenQ projector optimized HDR features natural auto HDR color and tone rendering for significant brightness and contrast. Vivid colors in any ambient lighting, ideally balanced high visual brightness and vivid colors for well-lit environments. Immersive sports experience, dedicated football and sports modes with Cinema Master Audio Plus 2 feels like you're in the stadium joining in the action.